Most people comparing Bitget versus KuCoin are asking the wrong question. They keep asking which exchange is better, but that mindset alone is why many traders quietly lose money every single month without realizing it. The real problem is not features, not promotions, and not even fees. The real problem is choosing an exchange that does not match how you actually trade. And by the end of this video, you will clearly know whether Bitget or KuCoin is working for you or slowly draining you. This is not another hype comparison, and I am not here to tell you that one exchange is perfect. I have used both Bitget and KuCoin, and in this video I will show you who should not use Bitget, who should stay away from KuCoin, and how most people accidentally choose the wrong one. If you want to reduce trading costs and avoid unnecessary risk, the referral links with fee rebates are in the description, but first you need to understand this comparison properly. So why most people choose the wrong exchange here is the uncomfortable truth. Around 90% of users choose an exchange based on surface-level factors like bonuses, influencer recommendations, or random comments online. But exchanges are not neutral tools. Each one quietly favors a certain type of trader. If you use the wrong exchange for your trading style, you pay for it through higher fees, worse execution, unnecessary risk, or emotional stress that slowly kills your performance. Who should not use Bitget? Let's start with Bitget. Bitget is not a bad exchange, but it is not for everyone. If you are someone who actively hunts for obscure altcoins, early listings, and small-cap spot trades, Bitget will likely feel limiting. If you want maximum token variety in deep niche markets, you may constantly feel constrained. Bitget is built more around structured trading, futures participation, and social-style trading features. Many people join Bitget expecting an all-purpose exchange, and then feel confused when it does not match their aggressive altcoin strategy. Who should not use KuCoin? Now let's talk about KuCoin. KuCoin attracts traders who love variety and flexibility, but it also comes with trade-offs. If you are extremely risk-averse or uncomfortable with regulatory uncertainty, KuCoin can feel stressful to hold large balances on for long periods. KuCoin is powerful, but it assumes that you are comfortable managing your own risk and not relying on heavy guardrails. Many traders choose KuCoin for its freedom, but later realize that freedom also means more responsibility and more discipline required. Fees, why they matter more than you think. Most traders underestimate fees because they focus on wins and losses, not friction. But if you trade frequently, especially futures, fees quietly compound against you. KuCoin offers aggressive cashback programs that can return a significant portion of both futures and spot trading fees if you register correctly. Bitget also offers fee rebates that meaningfully reduce costs for active traders. The key point is this. If you are trading without using a referral rebate, you are voluntarily paying more than necessary, regardless of which exchange you choose. When it comes to futures, the difference is not just the trading fee. Funding rates, execution quality, and liquidation behavior matter far more than most people realize. Many traders think they are losing because of bad entries, when in reality the structure of the exchange is amplifying their mistakes. Bitget tends to appeal to traders who want a more guided and controlled futures environment, while KuCoin appeals to traders who want flexibility and are confident managing leverage themselves. Choosing the wrong environment can turn a break-even trader into a losing one. Why this decision affects your psychology, this is the part no one talks about. When you trade on an exchange that does not fit your style, you hesitate more, second-guess your decisions, and feel constant friction. That mental pressure leads to overtrading, revenge trading, and poor risk management. A good exchange should feel invisible. If you constantly notice the platform, something is wrong. What you should be asking yourself before going further, ask yourself this. Are you primarily a futures trader trying to reduce execution, friction, and fees? Or are you a spot trader hunting opportunities across many tokens? Are you disciplined with leverage, or do you need structure to protect you from yourself? Your answer already points toward the right exchange. Now that you understand why most people choose the wrong exchange, we can move into practical scenarios. I will break down exactly which type of trader benefits more from Bitget and which type is better served by KuCoin, and how to immediately reduce your trading costs using the links in the description without changing anything about your strategy. Practical scenarios. Which exchange fits which trader? Let's make this practical. If you are a futures-focused trader who values structure, smoother execution, and a more guided environment, Bitget tends to feel more stable psychologically. It is better suited for traders who want to focus on execution rather than constantly managing platform complexity. On the other hand, if you are a spot trader who prioritizes access to a wide range of tokens, flexibility, and higher freedom in how you trade, KuCoin naturally fits that mindset better. Problems start when spot hunters force themselves into a futures-heavy environment, or when undisciplined futures traders choose maximum freedom without safeguards. Case Study 1. The Small Futures Trader. Imagine a trader with a small to medium account trading futures several times a week. This trader is sensitive to fees, funding rates, and execution quality. For this type of trader, reducing friction is everything. Using an exchange that offers futures-focused tools and fee rebates can be the difference between slow growth and slow bleeding. If this trader ignores rebates and trades emotionally, even a good strategy will fail over time. Case Study 2. The Altcoin Spot Trader. Now imagine a trader who focuses on spot positions, rotating capital through multiple altcoins and holding positions for days or weeks. This trader values coin variety and early access. For this profile, an exchange with broad listings and flexibility makes more sense. But this trader must accept the responsibility of managing risk and not parking excessive funds passively without a plan. Case Study 3. The Copy and Passive Trader. There's also a group of traders who do not want to actively manage every decision. They want to participate, learn, or generate passive exposure by following others. For this profile, structure and transparency matter more than raw freedom. Choosing an exchange aligned with this mindset reduces stress and prevents impulsive decisions. The biggest mistake is not choosing Bitget or KuCoin incorrectly. The real mistake is switching exchanges constantly without understanding why trades are failing. Many people blame strategy, signals, or the market, when the real issue is misalignment between their behavior and the platform they use. An exchange should support your discipline, not fight against it. How to reduce fees immediately. No matter which exchange fits you better, there is one rule that applies to everyone. Never trade without a fee rebate. On Bitget, using the referral code VUG8795 gives you a 20% fee rebate, which directly reduces trading costs over time. On KuCoin, using the referral code Cashback50 can return up to 35% of your futures and spot trading fees. These are not bonuses. They are cost reductions that compound in your favor. Both registration links are placed at the very top of the video description. If you register without using them, you cannot apply the rebate later. If you already have an account, this comparison still matters, but new users should always start with reduced fees. There is no universally better exchange. Bitget is better if you want structure, futures focus, and a controlled trading environment. KuCoin is better if you want flexibility, token variety, and freedom. If you choose based on your personality instead of hype, your trading immediately becomes easier. If you want to trade with lower fees starting today, click the link in the description and register using the referral code that matches the exchange you choose. Bitget with code VUGP8795 for 20% fee rebate, or KuCoin with code Cashback50 for up to 35% back on trading fees. If this video helped you avoid choosing the wrong exchange, subscribe to the channel. The next videos go deeper into real trading costs, hidden friction, and how to stop bleeding money without changing your strategy.